Ever wondered what happens to your dropshipping business when a key tool, like your Spocket membership, suddenly stops? It's a question that can send a jolt of anxiety through any entrepreneur. We rely so heavily on these platforms for our product sourcing, order fulfillment, and seamless store integration. But what if the subscription payment fails, you decide to cancel, or you simply forget to renew? Does your store just stop? Do your customers get left in the lurch? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on exactly what happens the moment your Spocket membership ends. We'll go through the immediate changes, the lingering effects, and what you need to do to ensure your business doesn't skip a beat, even if your subscription does. Because a little preparation now can save you a lot of headache later. The moment your Spocket subscription expires, the first and most immediate change you'll notice is the loss of access to the Spocket app itself. You won't be able to log in, browse the product catalog, or search for new suppliers. This is the big one, as it cuts off your primary sourcing channel. Any products you had imported from Spocket will remain on your store, but the vital link that connects them to the supplier for fulfillment will be severed. This leads us to the most critical consequence, order fulfillment. Any new orders that come in for Spocket products will not be automatically synced or sent to the supplier. You will no longer be able to use the one-click checkout or pay feature within the Spocket app to fulfill these orders. This can be a huge problem if you have a high volume of sales. The orders will simply sit in your store's back end, unfulfilled, and your customers will be left waiting. This is where you have to manually take control. What about the products already on your store? They're still there, but without the Spocket connection, they become ghost products. Their stock levels won't update in real time, and their prices won't sync with any changes the supplier makes. This could lead to a customer buying an item that is out of stock, or purchasing it at a price that is no longer accurate, potentially causing you to lose money. You'll have to manually monitor these products, or better yet, remove them entirely to avoid customer service nightmares. Now, let's talk about the products you were in the middle of a sale with. If a customer placed an order before your membership ended, but you hadn't fulfilled it yet, that order is still your responsibility. You can't rely on Spocket's system to handle it. You'll have to contact the supplier directly, find their store, and place the order manually. This is a time-consuming and inefficient process, highlighting the importance of fulfilling all pending orders before your subscription expires. So, what's the game plan? If you're planning to cancel or simply forget to renew, you need to act fast. First, you should fulfill all pending orders immediately. Go through your store's orders and make sure every single one is processed and paid for through Spocket before you lose access. Second, you should remove all Spocket products from your store. This is a crucial step to prevent customers from buying items you can no longer source. It's better to have a few less products than a ton of frustrated customers. Finally, you need a backup plan. What will you use for sourcing now? Will you switch to another dropshipping app? Go direct to a different supplier? Taking the time to research and set up a new system before your Spocket membership ends will ensure a smooth transition and keep your business running without any interruptions. The key takeaway here is to be proactive, not reactive. Don't wait for your membership to expire to start figuring things out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.